Hello, 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 hello. Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible? Hello, hello, hello. Hi, hi, hi. Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible? Hello, hello, hello. Hi, hi, hi. Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible? Hello, hello, hello. Hi, hi, hi. Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible? Only we do. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, hi, hi. Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible? Only we do. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, hi, hi. Am I audible? Am I audible? So today we are building a production grade AI agent using Langchain. So it's the first. So first of all, we production grade AI agent using Langchain. So in this project, we will be like doing like in the production propagate. Uh, so first we are building production grade AI agent. This project we will be like production propagate. So let's first delete this and so just we have created one our folder over here. Okay, let me show you. So this is a folder we have created. Just rename this. So we don't have dashes in the folder name. Just rename this into a fast track supply. Okay, we renamed it. Now we will open this folder into our VS Code. So we just write CMD over here, and now we will write over here code. Code. So this will open the VS Code for us. Read this. Now the VS Code is open. Now the first thing before doing anything, we will create a virtual first this folder, and we will create a virtual environment for this project. We are already in our main folder, and now we will create a virtual environment using Python, then minus and manager, Python manager, VENV and VENV. So this is the command to create a virtual environment, and this will the folder name of the virtual environment. But we typed it here. So here a virtual environment is created. How we can verify this? We will check this folder is created over here. This means the virtual environment is created. So now the next thing is we will activate this virtual environment. So we wrote the file. We will go into this and activate this okay through the command line. So we will write dot slash then VANV then scripts then activate. So if we write this command, so this will activate the our virtual environment. How we can verify? You can see there is a small VENV before our folder name, or sometimes it gets after this when we are using like the git bash or something. Usually we should use the git bash. It's smaller. Let's do it again and activate the virtual environment. It's VNV, then scripts, then activate. Same goes the problem in this. It's VNV, then scripts, then activate. Here again slash VNV, scripts, then having problem in this. It's not slash scripts. Reopen this folder. Close it. And again opening it. Now recent files and supply chain. So here we can with X go into the database first, forward slash, and then active. I don't know why it's not working with the command prompt. VENV. Okay, the problem was we were using the wrong dashes. So if we go here again and VENV scripts and then active dot VENV, go for the simple activity. Now you can see here is the VENV. Same thing we can do in the same thing we can do in to the git bash, but not required at this moment. So our virtual environment is created now and we have activated it. Now we will do the source when activate. Okay, now we will create a repo. So we just hit init Okay, getting it done. Okay, just checking the system. So before creating the GitHub repository, we will create a git ignore file. So not everything goes into the GitHub. Git ignore. Okay. Here we will put some code. Like we don't want that VNV goes into the GitHub. So for environment, we will not add these two files into the GitHub. There are some more files. Like you can just make it get this format from the ChatGPT or some AI model that these are the important files we don't put into the GitHub. ENV connect, gets our private, like the passwords and all of the system APIs. This VNV is a private virtual environment, and these are the Pythons or the VS Code system files that we don't put into the GitHub. Sometimes mistakenly get into the GitHub if we don't add into the git ignore file. Um, and the next thing we will create a readme file, readme.md and here the fast track supply chatbot and customer chatbot will put Langchain development. Okay. I just copied this text from the AI because I don't want to waste time over here. So next thing we will create is .dnv.example file. In this file we will add all the key, like the name of the keys for us. So uh, the real keys will stay in the .env file. Okay, this example file will be uploaded into the GitHub. So just for the reference, there what keys we have used in the .env file. So in the future, if we are copying this code or doing something, so we know that which keys are required. So now the next step is we will go into the GitHub and create new repository. Yes. Let's check is there any other repository we have already created, so we can create it. We created this. I will put nothing. We rename this report. Let's go into the and delete this report. Then just verifying the duplication of the repo. We start 46 over here, and now it's deleted. Now we will create a new repository over here. So we will try the repository name, same as the folder name, password supply chatbot. Then just try we need one thing more we need to do over here. I want to make this visibility to private. So now we will connect this repo with our GitHub. Let's close this and we will get already emitted git remote. We will copy this link git remote add origin, connect our folder with GitHub. It's connected now, and now we will check the branch. Git branch. Now branch we will git branch minus n main git status on. So we are on main branch, and here we will add the git add node. We already init, and now we will commit it minus m. There it's a job, so right job initial project setup. Right. So we did the initial project setup. Now we will um, currently we are not doing the branching because official work we should do the branching, but it takes a lot of time. So let's push into the main branch directly as we are alone doing this project. So we will push -2. So all code is pushed. Just let's verify it. Now we can see why env file is uploaded over here. Shouldn't be uploaded. Ignore. Git unless just verifying why the all files are. Let's remove the git rm minus shared or env git commit and to show. It's very important that you check first that everything is working correctly before pushing your credentials. So we have just removed the env file. Now let's check is it removed from the GitHub. So now the env file is removed from the GitHub. Here, one more thing we can notice that there is no code in our file. There is some problem. The file was not properly saved. Let's oh everything was wasted. So uh, let's do it again. We just delete it. Git commit. Git share project. Now we are doing git branch 1%. So already selected. So we are just pushing forward for the moment. Now let's check on the GitHub. Is it correctly edit? Now you can see the code. So the code previously the code was not saved, and now when we edit git all, so the env file was not edited. So simple we check that all the code is saved or not. You will see green line over here, and the files also convey. Everything is working right. Either pushing implementations. We have just removed the env file. Let's check. Remove formulator. Now the env file is playing stuff. Interface and now the env file is playing stuff. So today we are stopping now our stream. We will start again from here.